Here's a little sneak peek at this month's Happy Mail subscription box. You can tell we are embracing summer and going with all kinds of sparkle, bright summery colors. Now this kit is called Totally Rad, and you can see it's kind of 80s themed with these hot pinks and some of the hot neon greens. Such a fun kit for teenage projects. Maybe you've got an 80s baby in your family, documenting all kinds of fun 80s parties, glow parties, so much you can do with this. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what is included in this month's kit. This kit starts off with a beautiful Encore color palette. We've got 5 different colors that inspire the kit this month. We have Encore turquoise necklace, Encore hot pink, chartreuse, lemon twist, and Dutch iris. Some fun bright colors. And then moving on to our specialty papers, we have a neon pink glitter luxe. This is one of my favorite papers. I probably say that every single month, but I have a lot of favorites. So this is glitter luxe neon pink. We have a neon pink piece of vellum. That's really fun. We have So Silk. This is called Beauty Pink, and this paper is smooth and has kind of a soft touch feel. So Silk actually has real silk fibers in it, so that is why it is so shiny. All right, next we have another sheet of glitter luxe. This is neon green. Let's see, super sparkly. This is Encore lavender blue unicorn holographic foil, and it catches the light and is just all kinds of colors. Really fun. Then we have a sheet of Astro Bright's terrestrial teal. This is a smooth teal cardstock. We have 2 sheets of holographic. We've got confetti dots and stars. The stars are so fun. When the light hits it, it kind of looks like they're zooming in and out. Do you see that? Like right there. So fun. Then we have a sheet of Encore sequins in silver coins. This is that cool sequin glitter cardstock. We have a sheet of black wow glitter. This is a fine glitter, so it's no shed, but it actually does have a glitter finish, but you can see how shiny that is. We have another sheet of black sequin cardstock, and this is a holographic black, so you can see how there's kind of like rainbow colors within the sparkles. And then last but not least, we have a sheet of Miri. This is a white holographic, so it's a smooth white, but it has that holographic finish. So that is everything in the main kit. This month for our mystery papers, I won't reveal what they are, but I'll just give you one little hint. Some of them are kind of a blast from the past. If you're an 80s kid or a 90s kid, some of these papers I think are gonna be super fun for you to see. So 4 mystery items included in the kit. And as always, we have a free bonus SVG class. And because we're using such fun summery neons, we just could not help ourselves. We had to create a set of 80s cards. So there's 5 cards, shaped cards in this set. There's a roller skate, a little sentiment, a skateboard, a Walkman, and a mixtape. So this is going to be a really fun class, included free with your kit. So there you have it. This is Totally Rad, the July subscription box. And you can choose as low as 1 month or up to 6 months for your subscription, and that will determine the price you pay. It does include free shipping, and then of course that free bonus class. So it's available now at 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop.